Carlton.
Great.
Ready to burn some tires?
Oh yeah.
Carlton's Fox.
High-tech safety equipment. In case anything goes wrong. Hey, alright. Tires right here, sir.
Tory's 351. Powered SN. Michael Shea. Tory Gelling.
Yo.
Our lady.
We're gonna need to lower the pressure.
And my cheap drift car build. They're running this technical course out here. That'll be interesting. And we're gonna start on the 3/8 on the normal course first. So more cheap drift car shakedown. Good fun. Let's go. You're recording?
Yeah.
Hi!
That's not good.
Not good at all.
How does it look? Is it okay? I'll let them come out first. I'll take a look and maybe I'll just reverse off. We might be alright.
Dude, you want to take your bumper off first?
Looks good. And look, there's a pretty decent gap there where the front end got shifted over, and surprise, 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 there's quite a bit of Bondo right there too. Bam! Saving a little bit of weight there. That door took a good hit. Popped the window inside and everything. Yes! So we're gonna go ahead and get her all fixed up for round 5 in 2 days. Hell, I'm even gonna have Michael put a wing back on it. Don't want to be without that factory Mustang GT downforce. Let's go, Shea-Bo. Ready to get after it?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Fridays at the shop.
Hell yeah. Fridays at the shop. Yeah, yeah. Looks like it's ready to go. Ready to go?
Hell
Let's
yeah.
go. Damn, someone moved my door off. in.
Same thing for stock. Yeah. Run out.
Go. Do it.
Do it.
Do it.
Oh, hell yeah, dude. Fuck yeah.